So, and then, ito yung kailangan mong practicein. Kailangan tama ang notes doon sa ipi-play. So, if the notes are again, if I'm gonna ask you to sing by humming, we go sing with me. If we're gonna do it by note, how does this sound? Again. Your turn, and then. Oh, it should be not, listen, listen. Not humihiwalay, right? Not it's good job ka kanina, anak. So, let's have the second note. Your turn, and then. Again, anak, again. Alright? So, the note is kapag sinabayan mo at ganito, it's not the right note. See? It's different. It should be. So sometimes I'm asking you to sing using the block notes, the block keys. We go again. What's the sound of this? The block.